Dear ladies and gentlemen, dear students, participants at the first EuroTeQ Collider, dear friends and colleagues of our EuroTech partner universities, dear guests. It is my pleasure to introduce Professor Dr. Gerhard Kramer, Senior Vice President for Research and Innovation of the Technical University of Munich, who will welcome you in a second. Professor Kramer became professor and chair of communications engineering in 2010 at the Technical University of Munich, and since 2019 senior vice president for research and innovation. He started his career as student in Canada and as PhD student in Switzerland. Gerhard Kramer held positions in Basel and in the US before he moved to Munich. We are very happy to have you here with us. The stage is yours.
Dear participants of the first EuroTeQathon, welcome to the final competition of the EuroTech Collider. The topic, Leave No Waste Behind. I would like to first thank you, the students, organizers, colleagues, and the jury members for your active participation and support of this event. The goal... Now I can start again, so now we've got the sound on. My apologies. So first let me start from the beginning. So dear participants of the first EuroTeQathon, welcome to the final competition of the EuroTeQ Collider with the topic, Leave No Waste Behind. I would like to first thank you, the students, organizers, colleagues, and the jury members for your active participation and support of this event. The goal of the EuroTeQ Collider is to make the different perspectives of the different learners, collide. What this means is working together to begin to understand each other, and then on this basis to co-create new solutions for real-world challenges. Today we are here with the winners of the local colliders from the 5 participating EuroTech partners: TU Eindhoven, DTU in Copenhagen, École Polytechnique in Paris, CTU in Prague, Daltech in Tallinn, and TUM in Munich. We are here today to listen to fantastic new ideas and results and to further understand the different mindsets and cultural impacts of our ecosystem in which we generate solutions. Over the last week, the participants of the local colliders have worked in small and diverse teams on projects related to sustainability. All participants worked hard to create new solutions of real-world challenges. They were supported in this task by committed mentors, those vital personalities who challenge and motivate the people they care for. The participants here today were selected as having developed the best solutions in their category, one of consumption, cities, or energy. As the winners of the local colliders, you have demonstrated a creativity and enthusiasm that were judged as promising to make the world more sustainable and to avoid the production of waste. Please maintain your curiosity and enthusiasm. You have made the first colliders of the first EuroTeQathon a reality. You dared to accept uncertainty and step into an exciting pilot exercise. After all, the process and implementation of this new learning format is still being developed and tested. We were very happy about the positive feedback we received, and I'd like to give you 2 testimonials to this effect. Daltech in Tallinn wrote that for their local Collider final event, there were 12 teams on stage and around 60 participants in the hall. To quote, bright and motivated students with their engaging team projects made this event a spring highlight. We are really eager to look forward to the next ones. TUM in Munich wrote that the 13 TUM project groups came together for an intensive working weekend at the TUM Science and Study Center in Reitenhastach. Besides lively personal exchange within and between the teams, there was also a lot of room to discuss the project ideas with mentors and the TUM project team. I would like to thank the staff members of the EuroTech project for their development of the colliders and the EuroTeQathon. Particular thanks is due to those working on the learning format to make it a flagship learning experience that improves our university's competitiveness and attractiveness. The colliders and the EuroTeQathon are unique in Europe and at the heart of the EuroTech project. Concerning funding, EuroTech is formally part of the European Universities Initiative, which encourages the emergence by 2024 of approximately 20 European universities. The term European universities here refers to networks of universities across the EU that help students obtain university degrees by combining their studies in several EU countries. The goal is to improve the international competitiveness of traditional European universities, such as the EuroTech partners. The European Universities Program is one of the flagship initiatives of the EU's ambitions to build a European education area. Today, EuroTech is one out of 41 European universities that receive EU funding to develop and test different models since 2019. The EuroTech model specifically brings together 6 leading universities of technology with a focus on developing educational programs on new technologies. An important emphasis here is entrepreneurial spirit and encouraging openness towards long-term continuous learning. We believe that our challenge-based approach will strengthen interdisciplinary, intercultural, and intergenerational learning. For future colliders, we expect to see vocational and professional learners become part of the teams and to strengthen interdisciplinary interactions. We also expect the challenges to address societal needs as well as concrete needs of the companies in our local environments. As I hope you will agree, we are in an exciting experimental phase. Returning to the next few days, the teams will further work on their ideas. They will be supported by further inputs and will then present their pitches to our jury. Our jury consists of outstanding and committed colleagues from our local educational and professional ecosystems. I would again like to express my sincere thanks for your dedication and your generosity in giving us your time. We appreciate your extraordinary effort in supporting EuroTech and our students. Dear participants, we will thoroughly evaluate and discuss the experiences and results of the first EuroTeQathon format. We will use this to improve our next colliders and EuroTeQathon itself in autumn of this year. We plan to establish a suitable teaching format that helps us to benefit from the great diversity of European educational approaches. This diversity is a strength. It is based on different mindsets that originate from the various countries' traditions which together form the European values. Our EuroTeQathon should be a unique and high-quality learning event that benefits all its participants. At the end of this weekend, we will select 3 winning teams, 1 in each subcategory. The winners will receive a trip to Brussels and will have the opportunity to present their ideas to representatives of the European Commission. Please enjoy the next days, online, in Eindhoven, in Munich, and in Copenhagen. We wish you great success in presenting your work, and we look forward to seeing your ideas and, of course, the outcome. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much, Professor Gerhard Kramer, for your warm opening speech to the first EuroTeQathon. Welcome to our audience who have logged into our live stream. We are pleased that you are watching this very special and unique event. My name is Peter Finger, and I'm from the Technical University of Munich. We, together with Henry, are hosting the EuroTeQathon for the very first time in these 3 days. And we are here at the Technical University in the center of Munich.
Hello, my name is Henry Achten, and I'm from Czech Technical University in Prague. Together with my colleague Peter, I am your host for the coming days. And on Sunday, I have the pleasure to moderate the final presentations and awards ceremony. Welcome also to our audience who is present in the 3 locations of the EuroTeQathon. The people who are present here at Technical University of Munich with visiting teams from Czech Technical University in Prague. Welcome to the people who have joined from Technical University Eindhoven with visiting teams from the École Polytechnique in Paris. And finally, welcome to the people who have joined from Danish Technical University with visiting teams from Tallinn University of Technology. We also welcome all people who have joined from our associated partners, Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in Lausanne and Technion Israel Institute of Technology in Haifa.
All the schools together form a unique consortium of universities of technical education called EuroTech. Together, the EuroTech Consortium has 115,000 students from all areas of engineering and education. With EuroTech, we aim to educate the engineer of the future. The engineer of the future can work together with people from all kinds of backgrounds. She or he can solve complex problems of today that go beyond a single specialization. She or he can bridge cultural backgrounds and create solutions that are relevant for society, for all levels of stakeholders. In the past months, students from the EuroTech schools work together in multidisciplinary teams to solve real challenges from praxis in so-called Collider projects. The challenges came from companies that are associated to the EuroTech schools. All topics of the challenges deal with the main theme called Leave No Waste Behind. More specifically, Leave No Waste Behind deals with special topics of cities, consumption, and energy. Student teams working on the challenges typically count 5 to 6 members, and they come from all faculties working together.
From all Collider projects, each school has selected the best 3 teams. So 1 best team for cities, 1 best team for energy, and 1 best team for consumption. These best teams have now come together in the final competition that we will see now, the EuroTeQathon. In the EuroTeQathon, there will be 3 final winners. In the next days, all the teams will work on their presentation to come up with the best pitch for their projects. A jury will determine who are the winners of the EuroTeQathon. As was already said, the winners will get a trip to Brussels where they can present their projects and ideas to representatives of the European Union. In the next 48 hours, the student teams will work on perfecting their presentations of the solutions that they have created. On Sunday, the 12th of June, they will show their final presentations for a jury who will determine the 3 winners. Dear audience, Today you are going to see pitches of all teams who will compete in the EuroTeQathon. Each team will shortly introduce themselves and give a teaser image of their projects with a short explanation. Then on Saturday, they will get training and feedback on their projects to make the perfect presentation. And on Sunday, please tune in again on our live stream to see the final presentations and see who will win the EuroTeQathon. More information you can find on the website of EuroTech and this live stream. Simply Google for EuroTeQathon 2022 and you will find all information. And now we are going to see the pitches of all the teams. Enjoy the presentations.
Here we go. And the first team will be in the category cities, our student research team from DTU Copenhagen, Polygistics. Here we go.
Hello there, my name is Kaisan Jirendra and I study Design Innovation on my Master's.
Hi, my name is Frederick. I'm a first year master student at the Design Innovation.
Hi, I'm Lucas and I'm studying my Master's in Design and Innovation.
Hi, I'm Anton. I'm a first year master student on Design and Innovation.
I'm Bart and I'm doing my Master's in Innovation Sciences at the Eindhoven University of Technology.
Hi, my name is Linda and I'm a first year master's student in Industrial Engineering and Management.
Polygistics, are you ready?
That was not an answer. Anyone hears now?
No, I don't know.
Are we unmuted? Okay. Guess they're not listening then. That would be a great visual event.
Okay.
Can we be heard or not?
Yes, we hear you.
Oh, okay.
Okay, good. We were just testing. So, hi, we are Team Logistics, working together to address important changes in plastic recycling. Today, Danish municipalities are facing a large-scale change that will have an impact on the entire plastic recycling industry. Stronger legislative demands, privatization of recycling centers, and need for more truthful recycling calculation methods will leave cities with tough decisions regarding who should have enough capacity to take this responsibility.
And that's where Logistics come in. With certifications and standards, we're going to help cities push plastic recycling in the right direction, away from the supply chains of today. Today, plastic is transported thousands of kilometers outside of the EU to countries with less legislative regulations. And even if we are so lucky that the plastic that we end up sorting here in the cities end up within the EU, that might just mean a coal mine. That's why change is needed. And that, we thought, should start with the cities who are collecting this plastic. They should be beacons of sustainable plastic recycling instead of catalysts of a broken system. We, Team Logistics, are working hard to leave no waste behind. Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much. Next up is a team from Daltech with the project Site Vision. Daltech, the floor is
my
yours.
name is Elina. I study electrical engineering at Daltech and I'm on my first year.
Hi, my name is Semyon and I'm studying civil engineering in Daltech. I am on my 6th year.
Hi, my name is Rene and I'm studying business information technology and I'm in my 2nd year at Daltech.
All right. Did you know that yearly construction generates 800 billion kilograms of waste in the EU alone? We see a lot of room for improvement there. Construction suffers from lack of central oversight and fragmented communication. At a construction site, mistakes happen every day and managing these changes is not an easy task. There are a lot of workers involved, from general contractors to painters, electricians, site managers, and so on. Why does this keep happening? The reason is this. It's impossible to manage changes on a construction site because people don't have an up-to-date overview of what is happening on the construction site. It's time-consuming to manually keep track of materials and progress that is happening. And this leads to wasted material, building errors, and delays. On average, construction projects take 20% longer than initially planned. We have a solution to make progress in material tracking faster, cheaper, and effortless. Images from 360-degree helmet cameras and other side cameras are collected. Image recognition algorithms analyze the footage to provide up-to-date tracking and overview of what's happening to materials on the site. Our ambition is to be the most reliable decision-making assistant on construction sites. And I also want to give a shout out to two of our team members who couldn't be here, Risto, who's getting married today, and Semyon, who had a medical issue. So yeah, our construction experts are not here and have stayed at home. And our other experts, me and Elina, are here to hopefully cover the gaps in the construction stuff as well. Thank you.
Thank you very, very much for these amazing presentations, and all the best for those who are merging today and also become fine soon. The next team will be the team from the Technical University in Eindhoven, Team Asura. Please, the stage is yours.
Hi, I'm Medina Rexabrojo and a second-year master student in data science.
Hey, I'm Nesrin Yunish. I'm a first-year master student in human technology interaction.
Hi, I'm Purushottam Desai and I'm a first-year master student in automotive technology. And this is Team Asura.
Hey.
Can I? So imagine having every ingredient for your dish, but not being able to make it. Well, that's the case of our cities right now. You look around and there's ample of lighting around you. You can drive around, ride around. But is this lighting really what you need? Is it what is good for us? Oh, it's okay, sorry. The lighting around us is norm and regulation based and does not actually consider us, the citizens, the end users. Well, guess what? We are here to solve this. With Asura, we will provide you with an empathetic, connected, interactive lighting systems. We will consider every sensor, every cameras, and the light, the crowd in the city, the vibe of the city, and integrate it into one system and give you empathetic lighting. The light, while it changes and adapts itself, will also give you, the public, the ownership of the lighting. Well, what are you thinking? Hop on and join a journey towards sustainable, empathetic public lighting.
Thank you very much. Excellent. It's really great that all this is working and happening today. The next presentation will be from the local team over here in Technical University Munich with the project Verdigrow.
Hi, I'm Greg. I'm in my second year of environmental engineering.
Hi, I'm Mitch Griffin, and I'm in my first year of my master's in agricultural bioscience.
Hi, I'm Tamara. I'm in the third year of political science.
Hi, my name is Anna, and I'm in my first year of agricultural biosciences master's program.
And we're Verdigrow. We have designed a vertical farming module and developed a plan to tackle issues commonly associated with traditional agriculture. Through our green strategy, we can reduce CO2 emissions, water usage, and space requirements associated with traditional agriculture. This is a way to consume and produce responsibly while also taking action on climate change. We'll also address lack of knowledge and awareness around city green space utilization and agronomics through our lean approach, making our product low-tech, mobile, scalable, and accessible to all people. Finally, our third solution, Clean, enables us to ensure access to delicious and high-quality food all year round. We'll be able to achieve it by growing in a completely controlled environment in a close proximity to living spaces. This contributes to improving food safety and security, as well as better the well-being of people. Currently, we're implementing our vertical farming prototype on the TUM University campus, and our next plan is to scale it up, diversify crops, and focus on bringing food production directly to urban communities. With a wider reach and awareness, we can then further develop urban gardening policies to include the vertical farming field.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And we are looking forward for the first harvesting here at our campus. So next team, now we change the category. We come from city to the category consumption. And a very warm welcome to our team from CTU in Prague, team Reachable Charging Infrastructure. Here we go.
We are students from the Czech Technical University in Prague, and my name is Sonja.
My name is Martin. I'm Zizia. My name is Marek. There were 2 other people, but we are the Power Engineers.
Imagine a world without combustion cars. No emissions from any vehicle on the road. It's not so crazy and not so hard to imagine this world. And in fact, this is exactly what the European Parliament imagined last Wednesday when they voted a potential ban on the sale of combustion vehicles in the EU starting 2035. Unfortunately, it's much easier to imagine this reality than to actually implement it. It is extremely infrastructurally and politically intensive and difficult to build hundreds of thousands of chargers for electric vehicles in every city across the EU. If only there was a solution to this problem.
That sounds like a pretty pessimistic story, but let's focus on the future. We have a solution. It's called eBoost for Grid, and we come with a solution that implements the charging station, the 1,000 numbers of them, into the public street lamps. It would allow the users to charge their vehicles anytime they want, anywhere they want, and it would cost the money and lower the emissions. Thank you.
Excellent, thank you very much. Next up is a team from DTU with the project Stork Heat. Denmark, you have the floor.
Hi, we're Stork Heat, competing in the category consumption. We're a group consisting of design and innovation master students on our 2nd and 3rd semesters. Søren, Victoria, and I, Axel, are all from Denmark and did the design and innovation bachelor's too. Antoine, Hai, and Zoe did industrial design bachelor's. Antoine is from Switzerland, and Hai and Zoe are from China. Thank you.
Hi, there are currently 11 million domestic oil and gas boilers created by Weissmann in Germany alone. They're mainly going to be replaced by heating pumps by 2045. And today, most heating pumps, heating systems are shredded for metal recycling. Hi, we're Stork Heat, and we've collaborated with Weissmann in improving their end-of-life system to create a self-sustaining take-back system. You might wonder, why is this such a hard problem? Well, 1, you have to figure out the logistics of it. 2, you have to figure out what you can actually do with your old products and your new products. And 3, you have to make it all economically and sustainably viable. So to solve this challenge, we have done 3 things. 1, we've prototyped the logging app, where that allows us to capture key information on the heating systems and organize the pickups and pay the installers an incentive. 2, we've outlined what you can actually do with the old products, and here we've identified 3 main paths. Reusing the best heating systems guided by the information we have captured in the logging app, and we are sending really key components back to the original equipment manufacturers, ensuring they get a new life. And then the rest is meticulously sorted and sold for fraction-specific recycling. And 3, we've outlined the financial viability. We can almost break even today, and supply chains are more disrupted than ever. Material prices are rising. So all trends indicate that our business case is only improving. So this was Stork Heat. We're hoping to save the world and earn some money whilst doing it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And on the same stage, we will have now the team from Daltech, the team consumption topic, grocery packages services. Go ahead.
All right, hello. So before I get into the projects, I would like to talk a little bit about context. So this project is started in Estonia, where it is really common for supermarkets to have these food buffets, where you basically go there, you pick a plastic container that is single use, you choose your food, fill it up, and then pay. And what we wanted to do was remove these single use packages. And basically what we came up with is a system, a service that uses stickers. And these stickers are basically chips that have the information about the weight of the package, which means it makes buying food with your own packages much faster, easier, and also cheaper, because you don't have to pay extra if your package weighs more than the single-use package. And here we have actually two different systems. The chips can be used with a deposit system and also with your own personal package. So basically, there are two ways to use it. And yeah, that's basically what it is. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Next up is a project from Technical University Eindhoven with the title Cardboxen.
I'm Sujay, and I'm studying first year Masters in Automotive Technology.
And I'm Itziar, and I'm in my 4th year of Industrial Design Engineering.
My name is Bharat, and I'm studying Industrial Engineering and Management from DTech.
My name is Sophia, and I'm in my 4th year of Engineering in Product Development.
Can you see me, guys? Yeah. First of all, a small correction. We are Cardboxers and not Cardboxen. So, hello everyone. We are Team Cardboxers, and we are working on the central theme of Leave No Waste Behind. We are tackling the waste which is generated by the corrugated cardboard in the e-commerce industry. The present system is more expensive due to the cost involved at the end of the e-commerce companies, the third-party logistics, and the municipality. And environmentally more unfriendly because we have to transport the cardboard and also we have to retreat it, which emits even more carbon dioxide into the system. Therefore, we have come with the innovative circular packaging where we reuse and not reduce. We, the Cardboxer, the e-commerce companies, the third-party logistic companies, and the customer work hand in hand to bring in place a sustainable packaging solution and send the cardboard to its rightful place where it belongs, to the museum. The solution thus increases the profits of the e-commerce companies and third-party logistics companies and also reduce the carbon dioxide by 75%. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Eindhoven, Team Cardboxer. And now we present the team from TUM, from the Technical University, Advance.
Hi, we're Team Advance. I'm Andreas. I'm studying environmental engineering in my last year.
I'm Anna. I'm studying consumer science in my last year.
I'm Lars.
I'm Marina.
I'm Pooja.
And I'm Elizabeth, and we are all studying politics and technology in our masters.
Everyone, 41% of all medtech devices produced by Siemens Healthineers are not detectable for the company. Imagine being responsible as an international operating company for these devices that pose a multi-dimensional problem. They can cause an environmental harm, they can, due to pollution, they cause a negative impact on communities through accidents, and they pose a tangible economic loss, as waste can be a resource as well. Our solution has three modules. First, the device as a service, where we change the sales strategy from selling to renting. Second, the business-to-business partners that are certified by OEMs and play a key role in a reverse logistics system. And thirdly, the digital platform that serves as an enabler and facilitates a transparent knowledge network. In the bottom left, you can see how these modules interact in a complex system. Essentially, we are transforming the business model from linear to circularity, and by this we are closing the loops. We are happy to talk about and discuss with you about our solution in the coming days and looking forward to it.
Thank you very much. So this concludes the 5 presentations on the topic consumption, and now we switch to the third topic of the colliders and EuroTeQaThon, energy. And the first presentation will be photovoltaics on every roof from Czech Technical University.
Hello everyone, my name is Melih and I'm studying in Faculty of Mechanical Engineering. Also my teammates Kamran and Eldar are studying in Faculty of Information Technology, and we all attend from Czech Technical University, so good luck for everyone.
Agalarli, and I will give you the main idea of our projects. Our project is to establish citizen energy communities through the all Europe. And you may ask, what's the citizen energy community? It's a community that produces, distributes, and uses its own energy off the grid. And the the key point of the citizen energy committees are they are very important for the transformation to the green energy, because we are actually including every citizen that in Europe has a house that's available for PV panels. But in order to do that, there's one main problem, that we have to simplify this very complex problem that everyone can understand and can apply to their own houses. And in order to do that, we assessed the economic and the technical parts and simplified it with our project. So every European citizen can go to our project, enter their data, and get the results when they will get their money back and how much the carbon they will save.
Thank you very much. Amazing also presentation and content of this project of the category energy. Now we are coming to DTU Team Dolos.
Simon Kjærsgaard Lund Jensen, 24 years, Copenhagen, Denmark, Bachelor of Engineering, General Engineering on 4th year. Andreas Christian Jungemann, 24 years, Copenhagen, Denmark, Bachelor of Engineering, General Engineering on 4th year. Mathias Sunke Jensen, 24 years, Copenhagen, Denmark, Bachelor of Engineering, Global Business Engineering on 4th year. Oliver Strickhardt Nielsen, 26 years, Copenhagen, Denmark, Bachelor of Engineering, Global Business Engineering on 4th year. Julius Gylling Tåby, 23 years, Copenhagen, Denmark, Bachelor of Engineering, Architectural Engineering on 3rd year. Mads Ludvig Stenner, 23 years, Copenhagen, Denmark, Bachelor of Engineering, Electrical Engineering on 3rd year.
Hi, we're the team behind Dollars. Along with the rise in energy prices in the world and the fact that construction sites in Denmark uses approximately 45, the same amount of energy as 45 households per year, and the government is implementing the voluntary sustainability class starting next year, the contractors of Denmark mostly will be obligated to send data to the government about the use of energy. Taking this into consideration, we quickly realized that the contractors needed a product that would help them this way, both to save energy and save time. With our product, the Dollars, the consumer will be able to control and manage the consumption of power usage on the construction sites. And the product is easily modified to fit into most boards, not just in Denmark, but also maybe in the world. They've worked together with a mesh network, so they will be able to use the smartphone to close off the energy, see where there might be an energy shortage, and they will be able to track the data on a live feed and see how much money they saved and how much energy they saved. So with our product, the contractors will be able to save money, save energy, and hopefully save the future. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Next presentation up is from Daltech with the project ENSA AI. For some reason, your video is not running, so please can you first introduce the team members, and then you can explain the project. Thank you, you have the floor. Daltech, are you online?
Yes.
We don't hear you.
Yes, right now?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I am Sanan Suleymanov, first year Master of Computer and System Engineering student. And our team members, Tatsuki Shigawa, he is also first year Master of Computer and System Engineering student. And Priska, she is a mechatronics student, first year. And Sander Tsubulski is also first year Computer and System Engineering student. And Maya Lis, she is Communicative Electronics first year Master student. Yes. Yeah, we can start, I think. Okay, yeah, we are ENSA.ai. We are providing efficient control of air ventilation system for intelligent building automation companies. Current air ventilation systems work with predefined intervals without depending on the number of people in the building. And our model is capable to predict occupancy level according to the CO2 and temperature data. And our model is capable to predict this occupancy level with 96% of accuracy. And by this way, we have done calculations and we were capable to reduce ventilation consumption 50% in Daltech experiment rooms. And we assume that we can reach this value about 20% in all public buildings. Yeah, we are Answer.ai, save energy with AI. Thanks for your attention.
Thank you for your presentation from Daltech. The next team is from Eindhoven again in the category energy, and I would like to call on stage the team Zotero.
Hi, I'm Noel.
Hi, I'm Air.
Hi, I'm Anton. This is Tim. And I'm Koen. Together we are Zotero!
Well, thank you. So it's 2022. Our world is heavily invested in the energy transition, and batteries are being used more and more. Lithium-ion batteries in particular are everywhere. They're in your phone, they're in your car, they're in your bike even, you name it. But when these batteries, with their high energy density and dangerous metals, are in every small and big thing that we own, they become a problem, and a very big problem at that. European recyclers are facing the enormous challenge of battery fires in all of their waste streams. A battery fire is not a small thing. Damage costs of such a fire can go into the millions. They give recyclers a bad reputation, and they happen so frequently that insurance companies don't want to insure against them anymore. But we are here to sort it out. As Zotero, we aim to help the hundreds of recyclers in the Netherlands and thousands in Europe. And through our services of assessing, consulting, and implementing, we are able to quickly identify what is going wrong in their processes, help prevent fires, and if they still happen, we minimize the damages that they inflict. We expertly combine state-of-the-art solutions from our partners and apply them to solve the challenges that our clients are facing. Together, we form the missing piece of the puzzle to truly move towards a circular economy. Thank you.
Excellent, thank you very much. Now we already moved to the last presentation of today on the topic energy. We have the team from Technical University Munich with the project Zip Digital.
Hi, I'm Natalie. I'm Julia.
And I'm Floris, and we're all in our first year of the Masters Politics and Technology.
Hi, I'm Saskia, and I'm a student of Science and Technology Studies.
Hi, I'm Alfin Tom, student of Sustainable Resource Management.
And we are
Zip Digital from Munich.
Hi, I'm Saskia from Zip Digital, and together we want to help you compress your digital footprint. But why does it even matter? Your digital lifestyle is actually bad for the environment. In fact, digital waste is responsible for huge amounts of carbon emissions around the whole globe. So our goal is to help reduce your digital waste. Did you know that you can already make a huge impact by reducing the streaming quality of your favorite Netflix show, or by unsubscribing from email newsletters you never read anyways? You didn't know? That's why we, Zip Digital, created an app for you, which calculates your digital footprint, your carbon emissions, which result from a digital lifestyle. On top, we give recommendations and tips how you can reduce your digital waste. And that's not enough. We also give you many information and resources to spread awareness, because our vision is to inspire a new UN Sustainable Development Goal for a sustainable, clean, and just digital era. Thank you.
So, thank you. Thank you to all of you. It was really a fantastic presentation slot with 14 amazing projects in our 3 categories: cities, consumption, and energy. Henry, would you like to be a member of the jury?
The jury is going to have such a difficult time. So many interesting and inspiring projects. I wouldn't know who to choose, for sure.
Neither me. So we will see on Sunday how we will, or how the jury will decide. And as we learned right now with Zip Digital, our energy consumption in online streaming is very, very high. So we save some energy and stop producing waste. And we stop a little bit earlier. I think almost 20 minutes before our official time we estimated. But anyhow, we hope you enjoyed.
We are looking forward to see you again on Sunday. So
10 o'clock.
Students are going to train their presentations now to make them even better than what we saw today. And on Sunday, they will have the final presentation before the jury.
Exactly, that's what we will do. And all the people, all the participants in Copenhagen and in Eindhoven, enjoy your trip to your partner university, to your tandem partner. We will celebrate a little bit today in the evening, knowing better our participants from CTU in Prague, and we will have a wonderful evening and also looking forward for the next 2 days. Right now at 5:15 we will have an internal training and so-called skill boot session where our PhD student Niels Olsen from our Department of Sports and Health will for half an hour conduct a little workshop with the title Body-Mind Connection. And we hope you will enjoy. This will be an internal format for all our participants in our internal Zoom session. So if you are in our stream right now, unfortunately you can't join, but on Sunday we will report how we experienced.
Thank you very much for watching today. I hope that you will join us again on Sunday, and we are looking forward to the final results of this EuroTeQathon, the first EuroTeQathon ever. Thank you very much. Have a nice day and see you on Sunday.
See you on Sunday. Bye-bye.